Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to set up your product in Helpira. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar and click on the products. Here you will see that I have product lists. You can sort your product by number of items per page and search for your product title here. You can see my product name, the product URL, the ticket count, and the date it was created. And we also have options here to edit or delete. If you want to delete your product, just click on the Delete button. To create a new product, click on the Create Product button. Then add in your product name. For example, my product would be Sensor. Then add the product URL. The product URL is optional. Then, after that, click on the Save button. Now we can see that our new product has been successfully created. When a product is created, users can create new tickets for that specific product. As you can see here, the user can create a ticket by selecting the product. Next, I will show you how to view the tickets for a specific product. Go to the sidebar and click on the tickets. You can see all the tickets here. You can view the product tickets by selecting a specific product from the product filter. As you can see, the tickets for the selected product are displayed here. Click on the ticket subject to view the ticket details. Here, you can see the ticket in detail, and you can also see here which product is this ticket. That's how easy it is to manage your product in Helpira. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.